So there's an easy way to connect your Alexa to your smart plug with Tasmota, and I show you how it's done within 2 minutes. So first of all, connect to your Tasmota Smart Plug and hit Configuration. After that, hit Configure Other and scroll down to the Belkin Vimo Single Device Mode. Click on that and hit the Save button. So after a minute or so, the smart plug, the Tasmota Smart Plug, is recognizable by your Alexa. So the easiest way I can think of is just go to your Alexa app and say, Alexa, search for devices. But be sure that your device, your Tasmota Smart Plug, is turned on, which is crucial. Sometimes Alexa doesn't recognize it if it's off, so turn it on. So after a minute or so, Alexa finds it and says it's called Tasmota. So every other Tasmota Smart Plug that you are searching for will be called Tasmota as well. So I think it's quite crucial and important to do two things. So go into the configuration of the Tasmota within your Alexa app. And one thing is to change the type to Smart Plug so Alexa can, handle it correctly. And the second thing is to rename it. Just like do Tasmota 1, 2, 3. And that's really all of it. But keep in mind that if you have 5 Tasmota smart plugs all called the same, you never know which one is which. So do that. And after that, it's done. So we are already finished and have fun with it. Bye bye.